Hi beautiful people, this is Priyanka and you're watching the Priyanka Talkies. I have created this blue eyeshadow look for the festive season, and this is a festive season. Durga Puja is going on, Diwali is coming, and if you want a look that is not the golden and red basic festive look that we all go for, and you want something different, something more colorful, then this is the look for you. It is very easy to create and it is very easy to carry as well. So here is the video for you. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. First I'm going to massage my face with aloe vera gel from Khadi. Massaging your face before applying makeup really makes your skin smooth and gives a good hold for the foundation or CC cream you're going to apply next. Then I'm applying a bit of primer from Nykaa. This is the Prep Me Up primer. I'm applying very less amount of primer just where my pores are because I don't need much of it. Because I'm doing a festive makeup, I don't want my base to be very heavy, then I won't be able to carry it properly throughout the day. So it is CC cream that I'm applying. It is the Lakme CC cream. Then I'm going to contour. I am using NYWay contour stick, and I usually do double contouring, so this is the cream contour that I'm applying. If you don't want to do double contouring, you can just do with powder contouring and you will be good to go, but I like doing double contouring. Now I am going to set my face with the sunscreen powder from Kea Shades. You can use the Maybelline or any talcum powder if you like. I'm using this because I like this powder and this gives a good hold to the makeup. Now I'm going to do my eyeshadow. For that I am applying the lightest brown color from the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette as a transition color. Once I'm done applying the lightest brown color, then I'll go for a more deeper tone of brown and I'll apply it in the corners of my eyes to give a bit of depth to my eye. Once you place the deeper brown color in the corner, then blend it out properly and see to it that there are no harsh lines. Now I'm applying a bit of makeup fixer on my eyeshadow brush because that will give a good hold to the shimmery eyeshadow and it will look better on my eyelids that way, and it will give a better color payoff. I'm going to fill all the area between my crease and my lash line with this blue shimmery eyeshadow. If you want, then you can go above the crease line, but I have decided to keep it within the crease line because I don't want the blue color to look too much smudged. This color has a very pretty payoff and it is looking very beautiful. I really like this color. I really like the palette even from Swiss Beauty. The glitter and the shimmer colors are really good. Their payoff is really good. Now I'm going to apply a more darker shade of brown at the edges of the eye because that way it will give more depth to my eye, and I'm going to buff the brown with the blue edge. Once I'm done applying the darker brown shade, then I will apply a more deeper blue at the edge just where I have applied the darker brown shade. That way it will give a more deeper shade to the eyelid and it will look better and will give more depth to the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to apply a blackish bluish tone just at the edge and I'm not going to smudge it. Now I'm going to clean up the mess that I have created while doing my eyeshadow. So I am taking an angular blush and a bit of my CC cream and then I am blending out. Also guys, if you're thinking where I'm looking at, I'm well looking at the screen because I'm doing my makeup, and without looking at the screen I cannot do the makeup. So right now I'm applying Lakme Iconic Kajal, and then I will smudge it out as usual, because smudging out kajal really makes the eyes look sultry and gives depth. I'm smudging it out properly. Now I will apply a bit of kajal on my upper eyelid, and then I will smudge it out as well and form a very small wing with the help of my smudger brush. I'm applying mascara, and I'm applying the Bella Voste mascara. This one is a really good and affordable mascara. Now I'm doing contouring and applying blush. This one is the Faces Canada All-Time Pro palette. Time for some inner corner highlight. For that I'm using the Swiss Beauty palette itself, and I have used the champagne color from there. Next I will highlight my nose and my cheekbones, and for that I'm using the Faces Canada All-Time Pro palette. After that I will put on lipstick, and I have used the Maybelline matte lipsticks, and the shade name is, the shade that I'm using is called Touch of Spice. You can use any nude color and then apply makeup fixer.